Standard Insurance Consultants Limited, Nigeria, the Chief Executive Officer, Ahmed bin Salawudeen, and we are very pleased to welcome Mr. Ahmed bin Salawudeen to the Global Club of Leaders.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. My name is Dr. Ahmed bin Salawudeen, the President, CEO of Standard Group of Companies, including but not limited to Standard Insurance Consultants. The Standard Insurance Consultant was incorporated in the year 1980 on a foundation of trust, integrity, and professionalism. As a financial institution, we are licensed and authorized by the regulatory authority to transact all classes of insurance, including but not limited to oil and gas, marine and aviation, agriculture, engineering, mining, special risks including kidnapping and ransom, medical insurance, and life insurance generally, and others, and you can find out this from our website. In addition, we are authorized by the same regulatory authority to provide reinsurance solutions for the local risk carriers, both locally and internationally. I am pleased to let you know that SICL have been doing this successfully over the last 40 years. Alhamdulillah. It is also worthy of note that SICL is one of the top 5 insurance brokers. And as a matter of interest, in the year 2021, SICL was recognized as the insurance broker of the year by Business Day. The acid test of any insurance outfit is the settlement of claims as and when due. At SICL, we pay much premium on claims settlement, and we are committed to our clients. Therefore, we ensure that insurance arrangements, requirement of clientele is placed with financially secured underwriter who will not deflect in case of an insured event. This is where we are different from our competition. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. Therefore, please contact us either by telephone, email, our website for a free fee services As by profession, majorly, we derive our remuneration from the commission being paid to us by the risk carriers. I thank you for listening. Wishing you Allah blessings.